First up, let's talk about the irreplaceable human element. Jobs that require empathy, emotional intelligence, and a personal touch. Think therapists, social workers, and educators. These roles rely on understanding human emotions and fostering connections, something AI can't replicate. Next, the creators and innovators. Artists, writers, and designers bring originality and imagination to the table. Their ability to interpret the world uniquely and tell stories that resonate on a human level ensures their professions remain AI-resistant. When it comes to high-stakes decision-making, professionals like judges, doctors, and strategic business leaders hold the fort. These roles require nuanced judgment, ethical considerations, and a deep understanding of human contexts, far beyond the binary logic of AI. The skilled trades are also here to stay. Plumbers, electricians, and craftsmen offer hands-on expertise and problem-solving skills in unpredictable environments. These jobs demand physical dexterity and adaptability, qualities that AI and robots find hard to mimic. In conclusion, while AI might reshape the job market, it's clear that many professions will continue to thrive thanks to the unique human skills they require. From empathy and creativity to complex decision-making and hands-on expertise, the future of work is not just about technology, but about the enduring value of our human capabilities. Remember, in a world of AI, being human is your greatest asset.